Hello, today I will show you how to make an application form with Google Docs. Google Docs is a free web-based platform for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. With this platform, you can create eye-catching application forms in a short time using ready-made templates. Follow the steps to create a new form. First, go to Google Docs and log into your account. Click on the Template Gallery text in the upper left corner. There are different types of documents in Template Gallery. Choose a suitable template. You can make edits to the template that opens to suit your own form. Add fields for personal information such as name, email, phone. You can change the font and colors to make the design of the form more professional. After completing the form, you can share it with people who need to fill it out by clicking Share button. Google Docs templates are especially useful for standard structures such as job applications and registration forms. You can edit these templates as you wish and create application forms that will make a difference.